welcome to our last full day here in Disneyland Paris. Welcome to the 1st of August as well. It's 1st of August today. Planning for today, we're heading over to Disneyland Park first, and then in the evening, we are heading over to Walt Disney Studios. We're going to start Buzz first, and then go to Autopia, and then Orbitron.
Very grey, very simple.
Right, well, we're going to get in the park because it's getting quite grey. Well, let's go. So let's go on Buzz Lightyear. Once again, I won't film on this one as we've already filmed already.
Stand by.
Ride on Buzz Lightyear there. Now onto my favourite ride. Well, maybe Pirates of the Caribbean. Autopia, the amazing cars. Great ride on Autopia there, and then after that we went on to an Orbitron, which is this one just here. Which I'll be honest, I personally did not like, as it was tilted a bit, which I just didn't like. So the plan is now we are going to go over to another classic. It's a Small World, Peter Pan, and then Pirates of the Caribbean. To the Peter Pan ride after a lovely It's a Small World. That song gets stuck in your head, I'm telling you. Off to Peter Pan.
Maybe that's what it's shouting there.
Another great ride there on Peter Pan's flight. Now me and Daddy are off to my personal favourite, Pirates of the Caribbean.
Ooh. Go to the top? No?
Ride on Pirates of the Caribbean. I feel like I'm saying that a lot today. We're now in the maze, a ride we haven't done, experience we haven't done yet. Here we go, so let's have a go, see if we can make it to the end and make it to the top of the castle.
Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Ready, go! It's got me!
He got me!
No, there's a big queue to go to the top. Well, we've just had a ride there on the Alice's in Wonderland maze. We are now going to go meet Mickey again in his pavilion.
Big cat, yay!
We saw Mickey last night in the character dining. Yeah.
I saw him, yeah.
Have you seen the magic ball?
Eating lots of food. Which side do you want?
Which side? This one.
This one, please.
Like that. Yeah, thank you, Mickey.
Show me.
Actually in the car again filming one of these things where Joshua doesn't know how to use the camera correctly. I'm on my way back from Devon. Basically, I did about 10 tries of this next clip and I just couldn't use the camera correctly. I don't know what was going on. You'll see that in a few seconds in a few clips of me with some bloopers. Basically, we'd just come out of the Mickey Pavilion and now we were going on to the carousel. However, I'm not sure if I filmed anything on the carousel. Goodness knows. So here are your bloopers. I'm going to go and ride Pirates of the Caribbean again.
We're going on the carousel.
Oh, sorry, we are going on the carousel. So we thoroughly enjoyed meeting Mickey Mouse himself there. Once again, I am thoroughly zoomed in and I am in cinematic mode. We thoroughly enjoyed meeting Mickey Mouse there. Don't know why I am so zoomed in. Should we figure this out, guys? Hang on, let's press the buttons here, shall we? No, we're in the middle. No, we've got a... So we had a nice meet and greet there with Mickey Mouse, and now we are heading over to Adventureland and Frontierland for some more meet and greets and Haunted Mansion with Daddy.
Maybe that was my fault. Sorry, guys.
To see it.
Yeah, thank you.
Very
Yeah.
similar. The colours are the same.
With a face though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And superpowers.
Here he is. Yay! You love Winnie the Pooh, don't you, Oscar? Oh, he's his favourite.
Oh, I wasn't ready then.
Well, we thoroughly enjoyed meeting Winnie the Pooh there. We haven't met him this holiday actually yet. We are now heading over to Walt Disney Studios without crashing into the sign to go and meet some Avengers.
Thank you so much.
What's your name?
Joshua.
Joshua. You are? Oscar. Those are some great superhero names. Nice to meet you. I'm Dr. Stephen Strange. Thank you for coming.
Oscar is you're a true fan, aren't you? Of the
I see. I
Avengers?
appreciate that. Well, maybe after your visit today, you know some more about the Avengers. You know, since we're looking for some new recruits, you guys should try some of the missions. Did you try any already?
Which rides did we go on yesterday?
Web Slinger.
Ah, the one with Spider-Man. I see. The first one we're gonna do is like that. Nice, good job. And cross your arms. Yes, and one more like that, and open. Nice, that's it.
We've just been to see Doctor Strange there, and that was good. Very fun. And now there is a meet and greet with Thor and Loki over there. And now we are going to either go to Web Slinger or go to the Ratatouille ride. Well, what a lovely 2 rides that was on Ratatouille. Now we are heading over to Slinky Dog Dash. However, it's really busy at the moment for some reason. But welcome to Toy Story Land. We've just watched together a musical adventure, and that was really good. Thoroughly enjoyed that.
Staging was excellent.
Staging was really good. I think what we're going to do now actually is how long until dinner. But I think we're going to go on those parachutes again. We thoroughly enjoyed those parachutes, so I'll see you there. Arrive at Pym's Kitchen.
Oh, Joshua.
Welcome. Hello.
Wow.
Very good.
Thank you.
Hot pretzel, yum.
Yummy.
You got the card, bud.
Guys.
Now, we'll get into it.
Here's Oscar.
Oscar, what did you want to say about this bread?
It's Joshua's favourite.
I love a pretzel. So nice. We're going to go over to the buffet now and get some food, and I will take you over there as well. So good. I'm gonna go and get some food. Has gone down well. Oscar has currently got some plain pasta. Daddy is still going strong with the burgers, with the chips, with the asparagus, and with some meat or some steak or whatever that is. That looks like ribs to me. Pork,
Yeah.
even.
A bit like ribs, it's barbecue.
Yeah, Here at the Pym's restaurant. And where's Mummy? Oh, Mummy has gone to go and get some more food.
Daddy, after
It's
dinner.
my pudding. I've got 2 ice creams over here. Let's enjoy, and then we'll head over to the Disney park. Well, we had a lovely meal in Pym's Kitchen over there. Thoroughly enjoyed it. We are now headed into Web Slinger one last time on this holiday. Oscar's personal favourite. So here we go. Let's see if, because I'm going to sit in the middle this time, I can win and you can lose.
No, I'm winning!
Oscar is just so good. And I still lost. And Oscar, what did you get? 269,000 or something like that.
I was doing this and then I hit my glasses and then they flipped and fell off the ride.
They did, didn't they?
Yeah.
Well, but you still won somehow. Well, that is at the end of our time here at the Avengers campus. It's been great with our 70 web slingers, and I literally lost every single one.
Yes.
But we will see the Avengers campus next time, shan't we?
Yeah.
So let's go over to the Disney. We've been on a few rides. We've been on Pirates of the Caribbean and Peter Pan. We're now headed on It's a Small World for our final ride of the evening. Our final ride of the last day here in Disneyland Paris 2023, which is a bit sad really. And then we are going to go and watch the fireworks from 11:50, which is also super exciting. So, might film on It's a Small World right now. Oscar is just about to tell you something.
So we're about to go on It Is a Small World and hopefully another ride, and then we're gonna watch the fireworks.
Are you excited?
And Joshua's correcting that we are gonna watch fireworks. And the guys, it's a bit pretty. Look at the guys.
Oscar is right. It's getting very pretty here in Disneyland Paris, and the castle is coming through just there. Wonderful. So let's have a ride on It's a Small World.
Oscar's favourite. 2 people of the entire
So we enjoyed our last It's a Small Word there for the day.
We're going to the fireworks.
And Oscar is super excited. Did you like the dudes on the ride, Oscar?
And guys, this is what the buzz looks like.
Doesn't it look cool all lit up? And
Autopia, all of the different rides. So we've just come out of the fireworks, thoroughly enjoyed the drones there. However, I didn't really get the storyline of the Dreams fireworks show. We've had a lovely full day. It's currently 11:35 here in Disneyland Paris. So we are going for 24,000 steps. So nice start. Anyway, I will see you all tomorrow for our last day in Disneyland Paris, even though it's only a half day. Right, well, I'll see you in my next video. Let's go to sleep. Bye.
it's like 6:30 or 6.